Alright, Josh, you gonna fill it this time?
Yeah.
Alright, get the hairspray. Alright, well, what do you guys got to do here?
We have to spray it.
Whoa, Josh. Did you get some on you? Alright, wait a second, Josh. Don't. Oh, not yet, Joshy, not yet. Because we gotta load the potato first. Put the potato in this end. Jules, get me the ramrod. Get me the ramrod. Hurry up. Push it in. Scoot back, Joshy. Alright, lock and load. Alright, we got it. Alright, Josh, come here. Alright, we gotta load it. Here, let Daddy help you. Wait, I got it. Gotta make sure it stays. Alright, we're gonna see if we can shoot this one to the lake.
Okay. Stay back!
Oh, big thing is making sure we get all this on film. Jules, can you hold the camera? Right like that? Look, you gotta hold it up. Hold it right there. Don't move it. Joshy, don't push the trigger yet. Yes. Okay, hold it up a little higher, Jules. Up in the trees. Good shooting, sweetie. Did you guys see that one? What'd you think?
Let's do it again. One more time with the new potato.
No, I think that's enough, guys. Let's